On my pop-up earlier, I ended up running a blade, and you can see I did the color first and then tried to come back with a clean pass for the actual numbers. And it's not bad, but I wanted to try something different. So ended up turning around and did this. I'll show you the result when we get done. So I defocused to get the colors, and it's got some blue, a little bit of brown, like it did on the backside and on the live video that you saw before. But this time I went back and tried to put black as the numbers for the clock itself. And as you can see, I've got black. Now, if you're looking at it from here, you can see that they're all black, but it looks like right in here, I don't know, it's got a little bit of a lighter tint to it. I don't know if it's because I ran into my clearing pass. Cleaning pass didn't have enough cleaned off or what it was, but all in all, if you put it back here, it's not a bad looking little clock face. So you can do color and then put another one on top of it. You just got to keep experimenting. I've got to do a little more experimenting myself, but I said I'd show you the results, and there they are.